Today, we're going to draw and color a cat. Let's begin. Follow these magic dots. Let's try again. That's correct. Keep drawing. That's correct. Keep drawing. Keep going. See? It matched. Well done! Follow me again. Oh no, it didn't match. That's correct. Keep drawing. Wow, you're doing great. We have more to draw, kids. Follow me again. Oops, wrong. But it's okay. We can try again. Well done! Oops, wrong. But it's okay. We can try again. Correct! Woohoo! Well done! Wow, you did it! Now it's time to paint it. Let's color! First, let's pick red. Red! Cool, that's correct. Next, let's pick orange. Oops, the first mistake. It's all okay. Let's fix it. We can correct it by choosing orange. Orange. Cool, that's correct. Next, let's pick green. Green. Cool, that's correct. Next, let's pick pink. Oh no, that's wrong. We can correct it by choosing pink. Pink. Cool, that's correct. Let's pick purple. Purple. Cool, that's correct. Wow, it's complete and well done, kids. Your superhero is impressed. See you again, and bye-bye!